Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at week 2 in this course. We are doing chapters 2 and 3 plus your application assignment 1 this week. So briefly, chapters 2 and 3 look exactly like chapter 1 did. You should fully understand how to do this at this point. You just click on the folder. You have your learning tools, which if you click in there, you have your ebook, okay, your PowerPoint outlines, flashcards, and videos to watch that go with the material in that chapter. In chapter 2, here is your inquisitive. So it's located in this folder since you have multiple things due this week. So you just click on this link to get to your inquisitive. Remember, you can get a 100% on any inquisitive as long as you answer 13 questions and reach a target score of 1,000, okay? You have to answer 13 questions no matter what to get any kind of grade in the grade book. So that is your minimum, all right? So you have that for chapters 2 and 3. You're going to look at sociological research as well as culture, all right, which are both very important to the study of sociology, okay? And then you have your first application assignment. So the application assignment, you're going to click on to submit. So all you have to do is click on it and it pops up. It tells you when it's due, how many points it's worth. It gives you the instructions, and then it has some areas where you can submit to it, okay? So, so instructions, you're going to answer the application question below, and you're going to do that using a minimum of 250 words, okay? Within this response, you need to demonstrate the understanding of the 3 terms that are represented in this question. That is replicable, representativeness, and bias, all right? This application assignment deals directly with chapter 2, and so you can refer to chapter 2 for help with those terms as well as how you need to reply and understanding them, all right? Grammar and spelling count, what that means is I'm not going to count off for every little small error, but you need to put some effort into it, okay? Grammar and spelling should definitely represent your ability to construct a sentence that is readable, okay? So minimum 250 words, written assignment, demonstrating understanding of the 3 terms within this scenario. So first and foremost, this is a hypothetical question. I do not want you to go hold a study with people and actually complete this survey and then give me the results. That is not what I'm asking you to do. This is completely hypothetical. I want you to think about it, and then I want you to apply the correct definition to replicable, representativeness, and bias based on this study. So hypothetically, you're a researcher, okay? And you're a researcher who wants to study whether most people in society believe that the legal drinking age should be lowered. That's what you want to study, okay? Remember, this is pretend. It's not real. So to do this, you decide you're going to put together a survey, and you decide to give it to everybody in your sociology class, okay? And then you analyze the results. So hypothetically, you have done all of this. You've created a study, you've given the survey to everybody in your sociology class, and now you have the results, okay? Keeping this idea of a pretend scenario in mind, address the following questions, okay? Was your study replicable? Do you have representativeness in your study? And is there bias? Okay, so again, hypothetical, you're not actually doing research, okay? You're just thinking in a hypothetical scenario to show me that you understand the 3 terms that are presented in this prompt, all right? Fully explain your answers, minimum of 250 words. If you cite anything out of the book, which should be your reference for help, not the internet, okay? You need to cite your sources, okay? How you can submit this is either you can write submission and you can write it in Word and copy and paste it in here, or you can browse and upload a file. All you have to do is click this, pick a file, click open, it'll attach right here, okay? And you can click submit. Do not submit it in the comments box. This is not where we submit work ever, 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 okay? This doesn't exist to you unless you have an actual comment for me about your work, okay? So that kind of takes you through week 2, chapters 2 and 3. You're going to read, you're going to look over all the learning materials, do the inquisitives for 2 and 3, and then you're going to do your application assignment. Okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know.